likes that.
Lucy, do you like it? This is Lucy eating food for the first time.
No, that's yours. You can have 2 cups.
Do you like it? Lucy,
Lucy.
do you like it, Luce?
It's an acquired taste.
Lucy, are you having so much fun?
It seems like a combination of rice, cereal, and breast milk.
Hi. Hi. Are you enjoying that cereal? Oh, yes, you do seem hungry, but it seems like you don't really like it all that much.
Don't you like your Spider-Man mac and cheese that's got a web on it?
What a revolting development.